Are you ready to turn your Instagram passion into a six-figure income? Discover the exact blueprint that took my obscure Instagram accounts from nothing to generating over $500,000 in passive income. 2 years ago, I started with minimal knowledge, and now, this venture practically runs itself. Join me as I reveal the strategies, essential tools, and secrets to mastering the Instagram algorithm that can make your dreams of financial freedom a reality. Ready to transform your interests into a thriving business? Let's dive in. Step 1. Create an Instagram account about something you love. It'll keep you motivated while producing content. There's an audience for nearly every interest, be it travel, sports, health, or fitness. Step 2. Get essential software. If you're a student, Adobe Creative Cloud offers great tools like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and Illustrator for under $15/month. For budget options, CapCut works for video editing, and Canva is fantastic for designs. I used Canva to grow my first account to 1.5 million followers. Step 3. Understand the Instagram algorithm. Forget focusing on likes, watch time, saves, and shares matter more. Instagram values how long people watch your content, how often they save it, and how many times it's shared. Aim for engagement rather than likes. Research suggests the average time spent viewing an Instagram post is between 3 to 5 seconds. People usually don't linger for long, and Instagram posts, on average, get about 5 saves and 2 shares. My most viral posts exceeded these norms, sometimes even tenfold. The point: learn what works. Let's craft viral posts together. Imagine your channel focuses on motivation. In Canva, create a captivating post, a bold first slide to hook attention, followed by motivational quotes sourced from ChatGPT, customized with vibrant colors and relatable graphics for maximum impact. These posts often go viral, promising substantial success. But here's step 4, diving into viral reels. Influenced by TikTok's rise, Instagram's focus on Reels offers a golden chance for rapid audience growth. Check out these Reels gaining massive traction, one with 1.9 million likes and 12 million plays, despite being the new account with only 9 posts. This trend isn't rare. Many new accounts are exploding on Instagram. Look at this one, just 42 posts and over 1.1 million followers in under 90 days. I tried this on my own accounts and got over 3 million views on a silly meme video in about 2 months. Here are the stats. Now let's create similar viral videos. Use ChatGPT for motivational quotes with strong hooks. Record a voiceover. You can do it yourself or use a text-to-speech AI like Lumen 5, which offers top-notch voice generation with customizable pitch and stability. Here's a sample. If you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life. Let's animate it by adding a background that suits the quote's vibe. To avoid copyright issues, use AI photo generators like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or Leonardo. Ask for images related to our quote's themes: happiness, ancient Greek philosophers, and contemplation. Once satisfied with the AI images, import them into a video editing software like CapCut, map the images to the audio, and don't forget to add auto captions for maximum engagement. This method represents one successful style for viral content. Stay tuned for more engaging reel-making tips in future videos. Subscribe for updates. Step 5. Share your content wisely. Before sharing, ask, will people stop and look? Will they want to share or comment? Will it provide value? Run through this checklist for viral content potential. If you checked off all the criteria with an emphatic yes, congratulations, you just unlocked the elusive formula for crafting viral posts on Instagram. Take a snapshot or note down this powerful technique because it has been my guiding principle in hacking Instagram's growth, and I can vouch for its effectiveness. Returning to step 5, the art of posting consistency is key here. Strive for at least one high-quality post daily. The delicate balance lies in engaging your audience without overwhelming them. Step 6 delves into the value of repetition and learning from success. Have you noticed certain post types that resonate exceptionally well with your audience? For instance, I noticed a significant surge in audience engagement with slide posts, prompting me to leverage that format further. Instagram provides insightful analytics offering data on reach, traffic sources, likes, shares, and saves. Those who dive into these metrics often emerge as victors in the Instagram landscape, understanding their audience's preferences and tailoring content accordingly. Now let's explore Step 7, monetizing your account. All the dedication and effort poured into previous steps could seem futile without a monetary return. This phase often poses a significant challenge for many creators. However, it's a pivotal step that distinguishes a hobby from a sustainable income stream. Converting your engagement and audience into tangible revenue streams is paramount. One lucrative avenue is sponsored content partnerships, collaborating with brands that align with your niche. Not only monetizes your account, but also bolsters your credibility and authority within your community. Additionally, delving into affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission on resulting sales, can be a steady revenue stream. To conclude, comprehending the subtleties of posting, replicating successful strategies, and ultimately monetizing your Instagram account is the trifecta for sustainable growth. It's not merely about accumulating followers. It's about transforming engagement into a thriving entrepreneurial venture. By following these steps, you're not just a content creator. You're a strategic entrepreneur navigating the digital landscape to maximize your potential and cultivate a flourishing business. I've had the privilege of generating substantial income, raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars through Instagram accounts. I've explored various creative methods for this, and I'm excited to cover them in upcoming videos. Make sure to stay subscribed for those insights. Today, our focus is on advertisements. Companies invest significant sums to target specific online audiences interested in their products. Imagine your account revolves around investing. Opportunities abound to partner with day trading firms or finance apps like Robinhood. Surprisingly, many of these companies are unaware of creators like you. You'll need to reach out to them directly to set up advertising deals. Here's the approach. Visit their company LinkedIn profiles and search for individuals in social media roles. Send a direct message like this. Hey Anna, I manage the Instagram page Finance Tips 101 with an engaged audience of over 100,000 followers keen on personal finance. We're scheduling ad slots for June and wondered if Robinhood would be interested in leveraging our exposure. Let me know. Thanks. This message strikes a friendly yet professional tone, showcasing your expertise. Consider attaching a media kit detailing your audience insights for her reference. When you receive a response, it's time to negotiate. My highest payment for a single post reached $5,000. I share this not to boast, but to highlight the potential for substantial earnings. Now, the final step of this blueprint rests with you. Remember, Instagram is a marathon, not a sprint. Despite the initial excitement, resist the urge to sprint the entire marathon by striving for immediate perfection in your posts. Instead, focus on consistency. Show up every day, aiming to deliver content that surpasses your previous work. The key is to be better than yesterday. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more valuable content in the future. This extended version places a strong emphasis on the significance of consistency on Instagram. In our next video, we will delve into a fresh approach for earning through advertisements. In conclusion, you've just been presented with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to unlock Instagram's potential for success. Keep in mind that building an Instagram empire, much like Rome, doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and unwavering effort. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with fellow creators who are ready to embark on their own Instagram journeys. For additional insider tips, strategies, and blueprints to enhance your presence on the platform, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications. Let's work together to build a thriving community. Your journey towards success begins with every post, every engagement, and every effort you put into your growth. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep shining on Instagram.